Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 100 watts portable and handheld vacuum cleaner that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say I tried it already, and I have to say that this could be a really good one for various situations. For example, pets checked. For computer things, like for example, my office right here, checked. For cat litter, extra mega check. I tried it with that, and I think it's super cool. But also for your car, for your car, it's also super good to have. It comes right here with the actual base, the charging base that you can actually attach it to the wall. It comes with the screws right here, and then you can leave it charging at all times. Right here, you can see that it has a battery display that is charging. I like it because it's 100 watts, but also 9700 PA, meaning that the higher the PA, the higher the power is gonna be. And the other one I had is, I think it's like 8000 PA, and it's not as powerful as this one. I also love, of course, comes with the instruction manual that you're not gonna need it. This is super straightforward and really easy to use. But it comes with the accessories, comes with a hose right here that you can connect straight to the one of the accessories over there, and just use it for your car, for example, with like within the seats, between the seats. Actually, you can use it for that. You can use it for corners as well, so that's really good. It comes with this one. But then if not, it comes with these ones that, for example, you can use for furniture. You can use this one for small stuff, for example, for the cat litter or cereal or things like that. This one is super good as well. I do like this one. I like the silicone one, like the top of it, that you're gonna kind of like have this to be uncovered right here with the tip over here with the silicone one. And then just cleaning this thing is so easy. You just pop this button over here, you remove this, you're gonna kind of like rinse it a little bit and like that, and that's the filter right here. You can wash this filter if you need, and then once you're done, you put back the filter once that is washed, and rinse and repeat, and this one is gonna be all set and ready to go back again. Let's take a closer look. So let's start with the first one. You can see that there's some water over here. With this one, with the one that I was telling you before, the silicone one, you can actually use it for water. So take a look at this. We're gonna turn it on. Sorry about the noise. Look at that. It's all inside here and nothing there. So then we change it to this one for smaller stuff. And then we change it to this one for bigger stuff. And then in addition to this one, we can connect the hose that I was telling you before for kind of like corners or tighter space, like for example, this one. Or the brush over here for more delicate stuff, for like furniture, for example, this one. But I do believe that one of the best ones is the one that comes with the actual compartment right here, because that for cars, I mean, you can use all the other one for cars, for the seats, leather, or just fabric, whatever. But this one is really good for just everything in your car. But of course, if you need to reach on some fabric or carpet in your car, you can always use this one. And that's pretty much it. Nice and tidy. And then cleaning this is super easy. As I showed you before, you do this, remove the filter, wash it, rinse it, and repeat, and you're all set and ready to go. This thing is fantastic, really powerful, super easy to use, rechargeable, and with really nice runtime, and of course, really good accessories as well. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.